Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and thank you for supporting us. This is Siad and he is from Wayanad. He likes cars, particularly old classic cars he likes more. Siad lives a calm and simple life and he is silent for most of the time. And he is a cricketer as well. In cricket, he is a right-handed batsman and pace bowler also. He is previously played for state level team in his hometown. In cricket, he is a fan follower of Virat Kohli. In hometown, he used to play cricket for every day, but after getting job, he used to play for weekends only. You can see his action mode in cricket. Here you can see his action in bowling and he is a right-handed batsman. You can see here. This video we are going to explore Aligned Classic Car Museum. You can see above, we reached Alan Car Museum. Here we go. Hi sir, how are you? Can you give me 2 tickets please? Thank you. In the entrance of car museum, they kept display all kinds of toy cars like SUV, sedan, truck, coupe, van, hybrid, all kinds you can see inside the frame. Here you can see one more toy exhibition here. If you are visiting Align Car Museum with your children, they love this toy cars in the entrance. Let's explore it. From the entrance you can see the right side display here, the plenty of cars, and left side also we have plenty of cars here. So we can start from this end. First car we are going to explore Chevrolet Classic 490. This is the oldest car in the museum. This is 1912 model. It's a touring car. It's come with a 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission. This car made in America. You can see here this car having 4 doors and it's a foldable top it's having, and inside it have the toolbox and coal light. It have, you can see the electrical light here. You can see here the Chevrolet logo is very clear and its background in blue color. With the same features we have like our another car is Ford Classic car. This have same features as a Chevrolet Classic and it's also touring car. It's coming with the, it's have in front there you can see the starter also there and electric lights, everything same to same. Its look also same like Chevrolet car. This like same manual transmission with 4-cylinder engine and American made, same features. Our next car is MG Replica 1955 model sports car. It is coming with a 2-seater capacity and it's having 2 doors. You can see here the paint is silver color, is very nice, and it's having 4-speed manual gearbox. It's also touring car and touring sports car this one. It having behind storage space. It's a made in England car actually. The next car is Audi Quattro Classic. It having 2.1 liter engine and 5-speed manual gear and it's a 1984 model. The quarter means four-wheel drive actually. It's a coupe version of Audi. It's a German automobile made actually. It's you can see sports model, very nice red color. Coming to next car, Toyota Crown Super Saloon. It's a 1968 model. The engine coming 2.3 liter, 6-cylinder engine this one. Transmission 3-speed manual. This is made in Japan car. This car previously used as a police car and taxis in some regions of USA. Coming to next car, Chevrolet Corvette Stingray C3. It's a 1975 model. It's a 5.7 liter engine with 8-cylinder. It is having 4-speed automatic transmission and it's made in USA car. It's a sports car from Chevrolet and it had huge sales record in 1979 year. This you can see this car, it's look amazing. Coming to next car, it's a Jaguar XJS. It's a coupe car. It is 1976 model. This car engine is a 5.3 liter and V12 engine. Its a transmission type is 4-speed automatic transmission. You can see the green color. This one is very nice color, looks nice. This is made in UK car, this one. Next car you can see Citroen 2CV car. It's a very small car and its engine capacity is 602cc engine with a 29 horsepower 2-cylinder engine this one. Transmission type is 4-speed manual transmission and it's a made in France car. Just like Beetle, this 2CV become not only a million seller but also one of the few cars in history to continue a single generation in production for over 4 decades. Our next car is Plymouth Fury. It's a 1961 year model car with the engine capacity 5.7 liter 8-cylinder engine. Its a transmission type is 4-speed automatic transmission. The country made is USA. Fury was a full-size car. You can see here this car having 4 doors and seating capacity of 5. And this have backside you can see luggage capacity also there. The red and white combination very nice. Our next car, Dodge Charger. You can see here Charger. It's a old version of new Charger and it's a year of model 1967 and engine capacity of 6.3 liters and 8-cylinder engine. Transmission type 3-speed and auto transmission. This car is made in USA. You can see vinyl roof is available for this car and it's a coupe model. It's having only 2 doors, you can see there. The color is very nice. Before finishing remaining cars, you can see some architecture here. Display, they keep their architecture display. This the background you can see there, Abu Dhabi Classic Car Club, the establishment 2007 they mention. This one is a good working condition. Here you can see some of the old equipments which is directly or indirectly used in cars. Some of the small TVs are there here and some of the equipments like telephones, torch, lightning. Here you can see old TVs which is used in cars. This area you can see like most old tape recorders, and you can see there like home equipments like teapot and crushers. So many things you can see. This teapot is in very good condition. Mostly this one they used to drink some soft drinks like tea, coffee, whatever. You can see this one, nice. This one it's look like a crusher, like they want to crush something, they can put inside and they can this one they can round it, it will be crushed. Here again you can see some TVs and tape recorders they keep here. It's they displayed old tape recorders, and it's look like clock. No, it's not a clock. This one is a clock, and this is a speedometer for the bike. It's very big. How they are keep this one in bike I can't imagine, but it's nice. Here I find one old Arabic typewriting machine. Let's check it's working or not. Yeah, it's working. You can see here. Yeah, it's in good condition. It's actually very good. Here you can see very old tape recorder. TVs, very old TVs. After seeing this TV, I can remember my childhood. Let's go back to cars again. Here you can see Ford Model A car. This is a manufacturing year 1931. It's in a 2.9 liter 4-cylinder engine, and it's having 3-speed planetary gear, and it's made in USA car. It's available 10 Ford standard color. Coming to our next car. Here you can see our next car. This is again Jaguar car here. This is a open end car. It's a sports model car and it's a coupe model. It's having only 2 doors, you can see there, and it's coming with a 5.3 liter engine, and it's a 4-speed automatic car. This car is manufactured from UK. Coming to next car. This is Dodge Coronet Super B. You can see here. This car is made in 1970, and this engine capacity is 7.2 liter. Transmission type is 3-speed automatic. Country of manufacturing, this is USA. This car is available in 2-door coupes and 4-door sedans and station wagons as well. You can see here station wagons. This car is used in movies as well previously, and this have very good front look with a very good ground clearance. Very nice sports car this one actually. Here you can see our next car. It's a Mercedes-Benz car. This engine capacity 5 liter and 8-cylinder engine. It's a Mercedes-Benz E series car, this one. This is having transition type 4-speed automatic engine, and this company is made in Germany. Here you can see like some motorcycle and some of the bicycle they kept near to the cars here, and it's look good. Coming to our next car, this one is Datsun 280ZX. This car year of model is 1983 and engine capacity 2.8 liter turbo 16 engine. This one transmission type is 3-speed automatic. This company is made in from Japan. This design is offered like 2 seats and 4 seats, and you can see it's very big. Combination is very nice, like red and black. Coming to our next car, it's again Mercedes-Benz 450 SEL. This is made in 1976 and engine capacity 6.9 liter 250 horsepower 8-cylinder engine. Transmission 3-speed automatic. It's made in Germany car, this one. You can see the color is very nice here. And the anti-brake system first time used in this car actually. Actually this car headlight also having wipers. You observe, right? Coming to our next car, it's Mercedes-Benz again. This is Mercedes-Benz E500. This one is year of model 1993 and engine capacity 5 liters 8-cylinder engine. Transmission 4-speed automatic transmission, this one. This is made in Germany. This model was created with the help of Porsche actually. You can see here front grills are absolutely very nice, and headlight is very huge headlight. This one is having head roof, like openable roof again. This color also nice actually. Coming to our next car, this is the highlight for this Aligned Car Museum. This car is actually, this is Range Rover VVIP 1976 model. This car was used specifically in ceremonies, hunting trips and inspection trips for projects in the country for His Highness Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan. This car engine capacity is 3.5 turbo and it's a 4-speed manual transmission. This car made from UK, and you can see this paint is absolutely nice. Seat cover also very nice condition. Seats also looks like very good condition, and this is having very high ground clearance. This car is having, and here you can see there like wiper missions also very clearly visible here. You can see there. Coming to our next car. Next car again one of the Range Rover model. This one. This again same, like having very high ground clearance, and this is a closed model car actually. You can see here front the name is clearly visible, and car is well maintained car, this one. Ground clearance again you can see here, and roof also very nice roof, and seating capacity and seat comfort of this car, it will be highly good, and it's a Jeep model car actually. Coming to our last vehicle, this is a Chevrolet Pickup 3600. It's year of model 1949 actually. Engine capacity 3.5 liters, 5-speed manual engine, this one. This is country of origin is USA. You can see it's a red color, and you can see the back of this car actually. It's a pickup model. You can see very old pickup model, this one. And here you can see the ground clearance of the vehicle is very nice. I think we covered all of the cars from here. Before closing this video, let's know some fact about Aligned Car Museum. Here Syed is clarifying his some doubts, like he's asked the price, like adults it's 15 dirham they said, like children's below 5 years it's free, and 5 to 10 years it will be like charged 10 dirham they said. And he asked some doubts, like what time the most number of people they are visiting the car museum. They're saying like weekends it will be crowded, it will be there. And he asked like when the car museum is started. They said the car museum is started on 2009 onwards. And they provided again one more information, like Friday the operation time it will be different compared to normal days. It will be open 4 o'clock. After visiting this place, I like all the cars from here, but particularly my favorite car is this one. This is my favorite car from, like I like this, very nice. From this video, which car you like, you can comment in below. We finished this one, we are leaving. Thank you for your support and information, it's really appreciated.